Hi, welcome to Ravan's journey. Today I'm gonna bring you to a haunted police station and also a hidden gem waterfall located in Old Udugamba Road. Let's go. Alright, first we need to press maps and we need to search Balai Police Gomba Lama. Alright, there is it. Okay, this is the place. Let's go. Okay, then turn to your left and walk down. This is one of the haunted police station in this old Homba road. Right, let's go and see what's there. There will be a waterfall further than this place. I will bring you after I show you this house. Alright, so let's go and watch until end for you to know where is the waterfall and how to come back. Right, let's go in here. This is the old Balai Police. There is a movie, Mimalan, the Malaysian movie. So they took a shooting in this place. The movie name is Mimalan. Alright, let's go to the another room. Oh, okay, there is a hall entrance from this side. Okay, this is the entrance from there. So I entered from left. It's very cold here. Some are saying this place is haunted and some are saying it is not. So I do not know the truth. Okay, this is the last one. Today the day is very nice, very clear. See the clouds. Okay, so this is Balai Police Gombak Lama. Okay, careful when you walk. There will be a lot of glass, broken glasses here. Right, okay, let's go to the entrance again. This is how it looks. Okay, let's go out. Okay. Let's go to the waterfall. Oh yeah. Before we go to the waterfall, there is one another place which might be a bit scared for you. Let's go. Go straight and turn to the left. Okay, this is the place. Once you turn left before the waterfall, there will be this land. Right? Okay. And I saw something here. Let's see what is that. Ta-da! Who knows what is this? And there is some. These are the things found here. Alright. Careful here, a lot of glasses. Okay. This is a beautiful tree on the top of this thing. This is the surrounding, how it looks like from this place. Okay, let's turn left and go to the waterfall. Okay, from here you need to walk straight. There is a proper road for you to walk. This is my first time here actually, so I myself is finding how to go. Okay, let's go on my right. Okay, when I walk straight and I found another place on my right hand side. Okay, this looks like a camping ground. Okay, let's move on. Okay, I've walked straight until I can hear this waterfall sound. Okay, this is the waterfall. Need to turn right. Okay, there is the waterfall. This is not a very big waterfall. This is just a mini waterfall. Okay, some people are bringing bike here, and some people will do some barbecue, and here are the place. Yeah, tree. This is the view from the waterfall. Mini waterfall. Okay, let's go further. Careful when you walk. There is no leeches because it's a sunny day. So be careful on the raining days. There will be a lot of leeches. See, this is the place they used to, do barbecue and so on. Okay, you can do a camp here actually. It's a very nice place beside the waterfall. Wow, look at that. Wow, I never expected that. It would be nice if you chill here. Okay, this is the way go down. Let's go. Okay, finally I have reached down here. It's quite not easy to come down here as well. You need to pass by this. Alright, you need to walk here, careful, it will be very slippery. Alright, here is the roads. This is my first time here, so I do not know either I can go there to feel the pressure and it will be feeling like massage on your shoulder. Wow, beautiful water. The water here is very cool and a beautiful view. Oh, okay, I'm going in. Alright, so I'm in. Wow, the sun, the water, the air, the nature. the insect sounds. Hi! Hi everyone! Okay, I need to talk louder because you can't hear my voice. Alright, this is the waterfall which I was telling from just now. This mini waterfall is so nice. You guys must come here and try at least once in your life. Alright, please come on the Sunday so it will be like so clear and so bright here. Alright, okay, let's go. Okay, let's go mendalam lagi. Tadi dia sampai dekat sana tadi. Alright. Okay, let's go more deeper. Yeah, I've already been there just now. Yeah, there is a lot of leaves inside here. So careful, it is stucking on the legs. So I'm wearing slipper inside. Yeah. I'm not sure what is on the top. Alright, this is the first time I'm here, so let's go and here, so be careful. Oh wow, I managed to go up on top. Okay, this is the view from on top. Wow, managed to come until here. But don't try, it is very slippery because the pressure here will bring you down. This is the place you will be coming, and you will be coming down from there, and you have to pass by river, and you need to walk through here and comes on the top of the here, and you walk along here. Okay, this is the part where you need to be very careful. Alright, careful here. Alright, yeah, and you will be reaching here. Alright, let's go back to the car. So you need to turn to the left, and you need to go back to the place where you park the car. Just walk straight. It will take around 15 to 20 minutes only. Not a very hikey and very risky place. There is just a proper walking place here. Okay, once you reach at this place, you need to turn left to go back to your car. Alright. Okay, just proceed to walk straight on top. Alright, until you see the Balai Police Lama Gombak. Okay, walk until you see this on your left, this big tree, and you turn to your right. Okay, you need to pass this tree. You need to walk on the tree. Okay, you need to walk on the tree, just pass by it, jump, and to reach there. Okay, then you will be reaching near your car. Okay, just walk straight until your car. I parked my car there. Alright, you can't bring your car in, motorbike maybe, and be careful, there is some monkeys around here. Do not bring valuable things to this place, and please clean this place if you have it, or don't throw rubbish everywhere. Hi, hope everyone enjoyed the video. Okay, this is the end of the video. Alright, okay, please like, subscribe and share with your friends. Alright, thank you, have a nice day, bye.